Struggling to change that default Contact Us heading on your Namecheap site? Here's exactly where to click to customize it in under a minute. We'll open the editor, select the contact form, and change the heading text. 3 simple clicks, and you're done. All right, let's jump right in. You're logged into your Namecheap account, and you've got your website open. The first thing we need to do is get into the website builder editor. So go ahead and open up the site that you want to edit. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see your page laid out in the builder view. Now we need to find that contact form. Scroll down to the section of your page where the form lives. You'll see the default heading. Probably just says Contact Us in plain black text. Click right on that contact form element itself. Click anywhere inside the box that holds your form fields. When you click it, you should see a blue outline or some selection handles pop up around the entire form. That's how you know you've got it selected. And here's the really important part. With the form selected, don't go hunting in some side menu or toolbar yet. Just look directly at the heading text on the page. You'll see a text area right there on the form, like a little text box with the words Contact Us inside it. That's exactly what we're here to change. So simply click inside that heading box. Your cursor will appear and you can backspace or delete the old text. Now type in whatever you want. Maybe it's get in touch or send a message or drop us a line. Whatever fits your brand. I've tested this with all kinds of different titles and it handles them perfectly. Just make sure you're typing directly into that text field on the page, not somewhere else. Once you've got your new heading typed in, take a look around the editor. You'll see a Save button, usually up in the top right corner. Click that to lock in your change. The editor might take a second to process, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Now, let's make sure it looks good. Click the Preview button to see your site the way a visitor would. Scroll down to your contact form again. There it is, your custom heading, right where it belongs. If it looks perfect, go ahead and hit that Publish button. And that's it. You just went from being stuck with that generic default heading to confidently customizing it to match your brand. Seriously, that whole process takes less than a minute once you know where to click. So next time you're tweaking your Namecheap site, you won't even have to think twice about it.